Facing one of the biggest challenges over the past decade, the German automotive industry is reshaping in an effort to restore its previous glory. Today, we're looking at how these changes influence the sports car offerings of the best German car makers. Let's get started.
Audi Nuvolari. Instead of relying on extraordinary futuristic designs for its new supercar, Audi decided to draw inspiration from its rich automotive heritage. The successor to the iconic Audi R8 inherits the mid-engine layout, while the looks feature a retro grille with ultra-slim headlights to the sides, high-set exhaust, muscular rear haunches, substantial aero bits, and a Formula One-inspired titanium paint. Built on an aluminum space frame, the newcomer pushes weight reduction to the maximum in order to achieve flagship performance characteristics. Quattro all-wheel drive setup is powered by a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo hybrid, working in tandem with 3 electric motors. This unit makes 800 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. On paper, this combination ensures a 2.6-second acceleration to 62 miles per hour, while the top speed is estimated at 217 miles per hour. Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door coupe. Too bold for some, too futuristic for others. Despite the conflicting initial impressions of this new model, Mercedes should be praised for something new in this competitive automotive world. For this 2027 model, the AMG Performance Division decided to employ an all-electric powertrain with an 800-volt architecture. It uses enabled extreme recharge and discharge capabilities, promising 80% of charge in minutes. The advanced powertrain controls have 3 performance presets, the highest of which unlocks the full potential of a 3-motor setup. The output of 3 axial flux electric motors reaches 1,153 horsepower and 1,475 pound-feet of torque. While retaining a spacious 4-door body, this new Mercedes still hits 62 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds. Brabus Bodo. This German high-performance tuning shop pays tribute to its founder and style by naming a classy sports coupe after him. Only 77 units of this ultra-limited model will see the light of day. The black-on-black body is made of durable carbon fiber and features a sleek grille with 13 vertical slats, active aerodynamic components, LED matrix headlights, and a fixed panoramic glass roof. The hand-built biturbo engine produces upwards of 1,000 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque. This 5.2-liter V12 unit ensures a top speed of 223 miles per hour, while the initial acceleration to 62 miles per hour comes in just 3 seconds. The exclusive 2+2 interior is a fine showcase of the finest leathers, carbon fiber, and tasteful design choices. Porsche 911 GT3 SC. This summer, Porsche is treating car enthusiasts with a model that allows them to enjoy a breath of fresh air with intoxicating sound of a high-revving, naturally aspirated engine. The first GT3 with a lightweight hydraulic roof mechanism gets a recognizable German design. It was elevated with carbon fiber components, matrix LED lights, a retractable rear spoiler, and a reshaped front lip and rear diffuser. The extensive use of carbon fiber bits, magnesium wheels, and other lightweighting techniques makes the 4.0-liter 6-cylinder feel especially agile with a 502 horsepower yield. It handles 331 pound-feet yield with a short ratio 6-speed manual transmission. This output is enough to reach 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and continue to the top speed of 194 miles per hour. MTM Pangaea GT. For most, the dominance of German car makers and tuners in the performance wagon scene is undisputed. However, the Switzerland-based shop is convinced that their engineers can do it better. Still relying on the trusted Audi platform, the supercar is put on a diet with a full carbon fiber body, shedding nearly 826 pounds of excess weight. Visually, it rocks a matte green paintwork, a mean aero kit, exposed carbon fiber bits, and a lowered stance thanks to the front axle lift system. The all-wheel drive wagon relies on a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo that was tuned to make 1,100 horsepower and 885 pound-feet. Consequently, a 217 mph top speed can be reached, while the sprint to 62 mph takes just 2.5 seconds. BMW Vision Alpina. The greater emphasis on tech and bolder designs are the main components of BMW's renewed brand strategy. Considering the recent acquisition of Alpina, it's clear that this marquee will follow the same footsteps. The latest Vision Alpina concept showcases the estimated tech, looks, and engineering solutions that will be targeted by BMW in the upcoming years. This Grand Touring coupe features a wide stance, a sleek silhouette, a futuristic lighting profile, 20-spoke wheels, and a reimagined shark nose with an illuminated kidney grille. With V8 power, a model like this will target the likes of Aston Martin DB12 and Bentley Continental GT. Finally, the 2+2 cabin boasts dual-tone upholstery, latest generation tech, and, of course, luxury touches like clear-cut crystal knobs and crystal glasses for the rear seat passengers. Apollo Evo. After staying silent for over 2 years, the Apollo Future Mobility Company returns with a new product that sent a ripple of excitement across the industry. Just like its predecessors, the Evo rocks an outlandish exterior look with sharp, aero-inspired bodywork, X-shaped headlights, a clamshell hood with substantial air inlets, and a deployable rear spoiler. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis carries a potent V12 engine with a 6.3-liter displacement. Its power yield reaches 800 horsepower and 564 pound-feet, so it's no surprise to see a 208 mph top speed and a 0 to 60 time of 2.7 seconds. Through the butterfly doors, you'll enter a dual-tone cabin with carbon fiber bucket seats, racing harness, and a body color dashboard with 3 screens. The manufacturer will make only 10 vehicles, the first of which are scheduled for delivery in 2026.
HWA Evo. If you're a fan of German executive sedans from the 90s and DTM racing, then you'd be thrilled to find out about this unique resto-mod project. Inspired by the highly exclusive Mercedes-Benz 190e Evo 2 that was first unveiled during the 1990 Geneva Motor Show, the HWA Evo wants to capture the spirit of the original while utilizing the latest automotive manufacturing achievements. The engineers at HWA Legacy Company use the chassis of the period-correct 190 chassis, upcycle it, and give it racing-grade components, high-strength reinforcements, carbon fiber bodywork, and a roll cage. The company prides itself on using upwards of 75% of new parts, so beneath this astronomically priced retro vehicle is a brand new supercar. The chassis adjustments helped achieve a front mid-engine layout with a 50-50 weight distribution. The twin-turbocharged V6 with a 3.0-liter displacement is linked to a 6-speed manual and promises upwards of 490 horsepower. BMW M2 CS. BMW has just updated the top dog of its compact sports car range. Based on the current generation M2, the M2 CS gets distinct visual changes. They include an aggressive body kit with a ducktail spoiler, an angular rear diffuser, a matte black front splitter, a carbon fiber roof, and wheels with a bronze hue, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. As usual, the interior showcases numerous M-Series badges, carbon fiber inserts, and sports bucket seats. The use of lightweight materials dropped the overall weight to 3,770 pounds. On the mechanical side of things, the chassis and the suspension were enhanced for on-road and track performance, while the powertrain put on some muscles. The twin-turbocharged inline-six with a 3.0-liter displacement is now worthy of 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet figures. With these parameters, the newcomer snatches the title of the most capable rear-drive coupe with an M badge. However, the 8-speed automatic is the only transmission option for this ride.
Audi RS5. Despite not being very eventful over the past years, the history of sports sedans continues mainly due to the efforts of manufacturers like Audi. This German giant still believes in the sedans for drivers to enjoy executive comfort and elevated levels of performance. The brand's latest RS5 sedan boasts a reserved exterior look with a three-dimensional honeycomb grille and a coupe-like silhouette that hides a redesigned chassis with a 5-link suspension underneath. The latest generation PHEV powertrain employs an advanced electromechanical torque vectoring system to efficiently control the combined output of 630 horsepower. The 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 is aided by a 174 horsepower electric motor, neatly integrated into the 8-speed transmission. The motor is powered by a 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery, ensuring a 3.6-second acceleration to 62 miles per hour. The all-electric range from a battery is 52 miles.
Bovensiepen Zagato. Even after Alpina was officially acquired by BMW, the Bovensiepen family couldn't stay away from making BMW cars faster, better looking, and more luxurious. Now, the family returns with a newly created company responsible for heavily modifying BMW M4. With the help of Italy's Zagato design house, the future performance coupe gets a lightweight carbon fiber body with a completely reshaped front fascia that replaced the signature kidney grille with black mesh, larger air vents, low-set headlights, a sloping hood with a U-shaped air duct, a double bubble roof, and a muscular rear with a protruding spoiler lip. Interior refinements take up to 130 man-hours of skilled artisans and come down to a selection of 16 leather and 45 Alcantara options. On the performance side of things, a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 was boosted to produce 611 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. It ensures a 60-mile-per-hour time of 3.3 seconds and a 186-mile-per-hour top speed.
Brabus Rocket GTC DR. Known for making already extraordinary cars more refined and capable, this German tuning shop has recently announced a new Mercedes-based creation, one of the fastest hybrid convertibles made to date. It'll be made in ultra-low production numbers. It'll feature lightweight carbon fiber body panels and aerodynamic components for maximum downforce at speeds reaching 186 miles per hour. Such performance is guaranteed by an improved hybrid powertrain, starring a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. The combined system output reaches 1,000 horsepower and 1,342 pound-feet of torque. These figures ensure a lively sprint to 62 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. Finally, the Roadster's deep red color scheme finds its reflection in the bespoke cabin with a shadow gray glazed accent. Thanks for staying till the very end. This is the first part of our mini-series on the topic, so if you'd like us to release the second part of the lineup as soon as possible, make your voice heard in the comments below. Have a good one, and may the torque be with you.